How to move video in timeline if drag is not working. So I'm trying to drag this, but it's not working. I will show you another option. So this is my video and this is the audio for the video. So I'll click on the video, right click, then go to new sequence from clip, click there. So my video has been moved to the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I will click the audio, I'll go to clip and automate to sequence. Then okay. So my audio has been moved to timeline. So I can now play.
Structural Mechanics 3. Part 2. Plastic Limit Analysis. Highlight. Key topics. Concepts. Procedures covered. Explain. Difficult points to enhance.
So let me clear this one and this one. So let's try to use this one. Okay. And then I click on the audio, automate to sequence. Okay. So you can see you click on clip and click automate to sequence. So if, for example, let me clear. If we use, let me clear this. Right click and then new sequence from clip and click the audio. Then again new sequence. Now I'm right clicking on my mouse. Then new sequence from clip. So you can see it's not in the same timeline. So have to remove. Let me clear this. So if drag is not working, you click on the video because you want to maybe drag the video and the audio. So just go to clip, right click, then new sequence, then select this, clip, automate to sequence.
Structural Mechanics 3.
If you like this video,
Plastic Limit Analysis.
please consider to subscribe. Thanks.